students. Today I am going to discuss superconductivity. As you seen in the previous classes, I have to discuss superconductor. So what is a superconductor? Superconductor is a material that can conduct electricity or transport electrons from one atom to another with no resistance. Superconductors are the material having almost zero resistivity. Already we have to seen in the previous PPT or notes, and behave as a di- diamagnetic below the superconducting transiting temperature. Superconducting transiting temperature. These are the material, these are the temperature which should be a zero resistivity, be above the zero resistivity, in which the value should be a conduct at the superconductivity. Similarly, these are the superconductor. Similarly, discover of the superconductor conductivity. Superconductivity was first discovered in 1911 when mercury was cooled to approximate 4 degree Kelvin by Dutch physicist Heikki Kamerlingh-Onnes, which earned him the 1913 Nobel Prize. These are the Kamerlingh-Onnes is the first discovered in 1911 of superconductivity. They have good expanded and many other form of the superconductor have discovered, including type 2 superconductor in 1930s. Similarly, this is a transition temperature. What is the transition temperature? The temperature at which a materials electrically electrical resistivity drops to absolute zero, that is called as critical temperature or transition temperature. The temperature at which a material's electrical resistivity drops to zero, that is absolute zero, that is called as transition or critical current. At and below transition temperature, the material is said to be in superconducting state, and above this temperature, the material is said to be a normal state. So from figure, the variation of electric resistivity of silver and mercury have been seen. So similarly, it can be seen that the electrical resistivity of normal metal decreases steadily as the temperature is decreases and the reaches a low value at 0 Kelvin, that is called as residual resistivity. We have to denote it as a rho. So this is the transition temperature in which the superconductor and normal metal should be increases from the temperature to residual resistivity. This is the absolute temperature in which it should be the change of the curve. The curve should be a change from superconductor to normal metal. So similarly, the general properties of superconductor. You know very well general properties. The electrical resistance, virtually zero electrical resistance. Effect of impurities. When impurities are added to superconducting elements, the superconductivity is not lost, but the critical temperature is lowered. So similarly, another property that is called as the effect of pressure and stress. Certain material exhibit superconductivity on increasing the pressure in superconductor. The increase in stress result in increase of critical temperature value. Isotope effect. These are the general properties. What is my isotopic effect? The critical or transition temperature T of C value of a superconductor is found to vary with its isotopic mass. That is, the transition temperature is inversely proportional to the square root of isotopic mass of single superconductor. That is, this is the equation of transition temperature is inversely proportional to 1 by root of m. That is, m is called as isotopic mass of a single superconductor. So similarly, the magnetic field, if the strong magnetic field is applied to superconductor below its transition temperature, the superconductor undergoes transition from superconducting state to normal state, as seen in the previous graph. So similarly, the Meissner effect. What is the Meissner effect? When a material makes a transition from normal state to superconducting state, it actively excludes magnetic field from its interior. This is called Meissner effect. So another definition, the complete explosion of all the magnetic field by a superconducting material is called Meissner effect. So similarly, this to the Meissner effect lowered below to Tc, that is T is less than Tc, T is greater than Tc. This is this two magnetic field having the different property in which when a superconducting material is placed in a magnetic field, that is H less than Hc at room temperature, the magnetic field is found to penetrate normally throughout the material. If the temperature is lowered below Tc and with H is greater than Hc, the material to be found with a magnetic field penetrating through it. This is the magnetic field that penetrating H is temperature T is greater than T of C. So similarly, the magnetic field shows the zero resistivity in the two different Meissner effect. So similarly, this is the types of superconductor. Depending upon the behavior of superconductor in external magnetic field, they are classified into two. That is type 1 and type 2. We have to see in the previous classes has a detail. The type 1 superconductor has a soft superconductor, type 2 superconductor is a hot superconductor. Similarly, this is a type 1 superconductor. This curve shows the magnetization. So magnetization in which the normal state, two states having is normal and superconducting state, the intensity becomes zero at H of C. So this is a type 1 superconductor. Similarly, the curve shows in the type 2 superconductor, this is a three state that is called a superconductor state, mix or vertex state or normal state. This is changes due to not easily changes because of abruptly when placed in the external magnetic field, the intensity of the superconductor gradually loses its superconductivity at normal state to vertex state. This is similarly in the changes between Hc1 and Hc2. This is two state in which the applied magnetic field and intensity of magnetization should be a changes. Similarly, these are the few things in the type 2 superconductor. So this is the difference between two superconductor. Already we have seen this type 1 is a soft superconductor, type 2 is a hard superconductor. Soft superconductor are those which can be tolerate impurities without affecting the superconducting properties. Hard superconductors are those which cannot tolerate impurities, that is the impurity affect the superconducting properties. Only one field, critical field exists of the superconductor, but in type 2 superconductor 2, that is lower and upper. Similarly, the type 1 has complete Meissner effect, but here does not has complete Meissner effect. So these are the examples, these are the difference between type 1 and type 2 superconductor. Similarly, types of superconductor on basis are of temperature. Low temperature superconductor, then high temperature superconductor. What is low temperature superconductor? Those whose critical current is below 30 Kelvin and must be cooled using liquid helium in order to achieve superconductivity. Similarly, the high temperature, those who critical temperature is above 30 Kelvin, that is in low temperature below 30 Kelvin, but high temperature above 30 Kelvin and can be cooled superconductivity. So can be cooled conductivity using liquid helium, but here liquid helium, but in high temperature liquid nitrogen. Similarly, these are the preparation of high temperature using superconductor in the following sample. Similarly, so this are it's not be used for our purpose. So similarly, we shall move to the next topic, that is called as a BCS3. Important important in a superconductor. One of the scientists was developed by Bardeen, Cooper, and Schiffer. This theory says this theory states that the electron experience special kind of interaction, overcoming the Coulomb force of repulsion between them has result Cooper pair. At low temperature, these pairs move without scattering, that is without any resistance through the lattice points, and the material becomes superconductor. Hence, here the electron interaction should be stronger than the electron interaction. So similarly, one kind of example have we seen there. electron lattice electron interaction. When an electron first to move through the lattice, it will be attracted by the core. Look at that. When an electron moves through the lattice, it will be attracted by the core, that is called as the positive charge of the lattice. So due to its attraction, ion core is distributed and it is called as lattice distortion. The lattice vibration are quantized in terms of phonon. The deformation of product a region of increased positive charge. Thus, if another electron second move through this region, it will be attracted by a greater concentration of positive charge, and hence the energy of second electron is lower. Hence, the two electrons interact through the lattice or the phonon field, resulting in lower of energy in the electron. So these are the electron lattice electron interaction diagram, in which the lower first electron and second electron is attract to the positively charged. The lowering of the energy implies that the force between the two electrons are attractive. This is the attractive. This is the force between the two electrons are attractive. This type of reaction is called electron lattice interaction reaction. This interaction is strongly when the two electrons have equal and opposite momentum. So the opposite momentum and spin. Similarly, the explanation of the two electron interaction. Suppose an electron having the energy K approaches a positive ion, it's it suffers attractive Coulomb interaction. It will lose its energy. It will lose its energy. This area should be a lose energy to ion. Thus, the energy electron will be a K minus Q. If due to this attraction ion core is set to motion, thus the distort the lattice electron. Let a second electron having K dash comes into the way of distort lattice and the interaction between two occur, the energy gained by the core, that is Q, will be a transfer to second electron. That is so K minus Q to K dash plus Q. That is the second electron will have the energy K dash plus Q. Thus there is a exchange of virtual energy. Thus there is a exchange of virtual energy called phonon in between two electrons through the positive ion crystal. The two electrons therefore interact indirectly via lattice distortion or the phonon field. Thus the lower energy of an electron or lower energy of electron. This type of interaction is called as electron-electron interaction through the phonon. This is a simple diagram of the electron-electron interaction in which the K, that is a Q energy K of the positive ion, and the Q is the ion core, in which K minus Q to K plus 2, how it should transfer to one electron to another electron, have you seen in the explanation. Similarly, what is in which the Cooper pair was explained the fundamental postulates of BCS series, that the superconducting occur when an attractive interaction mentioned above between two electrons by means of phonon exchange dominate the usual repulsive Coulomb interaction. Two such electrons having equal and opposite spin and momentum, which interact attractively in the phonon field, are called Cooper pair. What is meant by coherence length? Coherence length: the paired electron are not scattered and can maintain their coupled motion up to certain distance is called coherent length. It is measure of the distance within which the gap parameter does not change very much in varying magnetic field. Similarly, these are the general application of high temperature superconductor. You know very well about magnetic levitation. You, levitation or magnetic suspension is a method by which an object is suspended with no support other than the magnetic field. This is the first application. Number two, this is a power transmission. This diagram shows the power superconducting transmission cable from American superconductor. These are the power. The cable configuration features a conductor made from HTS wire wound around a flexible hollow core. These are the cable assemble. These are the duct in which the electrical insulation should be around wounding. This is the pipe coating. This is the steel pipe in which the HTS conductor should be a conduct. The conductor is surrounded by the conventional dielectric insulation. The efficiency of the design should be reduced because of the zero resistance state should be in the liquid near nitrogen. Similarly, another application that is called a superconducting magnet in generators, energy storage device, particle accelerator, rotating machineries, magnetic separator. These are the application which can be used in the daily routine of the superconducting properties of the high temperature. Similarly, we can seen in the another we can see in similar topic of the this is the extra explanation of the application, general properties of an application, virtual zero electrical resistivity, para perfect diamagnetic property, critical temperature depend on the temperature of superconducting material, heavy current effect destroy superconductivity properties at very high temperature. Tc is directly proportional to its pressure. Tc is inversely proportional to the square root of A what isotope of single conductor. We have to see in the critical temperature of this extra explanation. Similarly, the superconducting generator convert mechanical to electrical energy on magnetic field, produce current and flux density, determines the output field winding produce higher than magnetic field. Superconductors have extremely high current carrying capacity. Similarly, the superconducting transition line cables provide zero resistance due to low voltage, high current transition, high current transmission occur, small physical size, reduced clearance of our terminal facility faculties, quick recovery after fault, overload capability. Similarly, this is a superconducting magnetic energy storage system have seen in the normal previous example in which the high temperature should be a zero at DC current. So similarly, from that from that I have to stop DCS, BCS theory, type 1 and type 2 superconductor have seen. Main important in this topic is BCS theory. What going to discuss in the superconductivity, this is a BCS theory, this Cooper pair, there is an interaction. This is we have to see in the superconducting material. So from that I have to stop the topic. Thank you.